All right, just a quick little video to show you what I did. My boat's kind of high, so this is above my head, but I'm having to put it in by myself, or my wife, she doesn't back the truck up or anything, so I'm having to climb, step on that, and then step down to there. So I knew I was going to bust my tail one of these days hanging on to the trolling motor pad and trying to hang off of it and climbing down. So I was like, well, I need to do something. I looked up the ladders, and the ladders were $100 to $200. Like, I can do cheaper than that. Anyway, this right here is just a piece of aluminum angle iron. So it's like 2 inches. And what I did is, you can get it from any home box store. Lag bolts, 2 lag bolts, and then 2 lag bolts down there, all the way through. Not lag bolts, but through bolts. Stainless steel, and then bolts here, bolts there, and I bought some of this kind of like sandpaper sticky stuff that goes on there for treads. And I have used it a couple times so far, and it has been wonderful. Feel a whole lot safer with that. Now, I was going to put a handle up here, but I didn't want it to be in the way of my nose, because my nose, you can see it, the nose comes quite up far. But if I wanted to, I probably could put one right here, go straight down, come straight up. And I probably would have been okay. But right now, I'm still in shape, so I don't think I need a handle. But anyway, that saved me probably $120, $130, just that little quick hour little project. Anyway, just some ideas, something I did to save some money.